In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add categories to your WordPress pages. Now, adding them to posts is easy and you can do it in posts and then categories. But if you want to add them to your pages, you need a plugin to do so. It is a very simple plugin and I'm going to show you how to do it. So first you want to go to plugins, hover over it and then go to add new plugin. From here, we need to search for this following plugin, pages with category and tag. This plugin was updated 4 days ago for me. It has 50,000 active installations and 5 stars. Go ahead and click install now and install that. Don't forget, once it's installed, you will need to activate it. So do that. Now, once you've got that plugin activated, you can go ahead and go to your pages. So go ahead and go to pages, all pages, and then find a page you want to add to a category. So then click edit. That will open up the page builder. From here, you can go ahead and add this page to categories, and you can also go ahead and add tags. So let's say I want to create a new category, and we'll create a category called contact. We can then click add new category and update. We've now added the contact us page to the contact category. I hope that quick video did help you out. Let me know if you got any questions in the comment section below.